And good day, traders. Welcome back to the XM Live. Welcome back to our session. Here we have continuation. Basically, I have two profit boosters left, gold, and I have one euro dollar. Still running this gold trade. Basically, I closed one position during my first session, and now I have this second position. It's basically profit booster and euro dollar also long. So at this point, guys, I'm going long. Of course, those are intraday trades, so I can expect probably to close it soon because we have start of US session, which by the way will be void of any news, any data. So I don't expect huge volatility. Best session so far, definitely Tokyo session. In Tokyo session, if you have possibility to trade, don't hesitate to trade. Fantastic trading opportunities thanks to the most volatile market right now, which is leading all other markets, and that is yen. Bank of Japan and yen are currently leaders, and this is seen in all yen crosses. And it spills out to every intermarket correlation, like equity markets, stock markets, of course, and forex currency market. I want to say big hello to Johnny. Johnny, how are you?
Hey, Nenad, nice to see you. Well, good. Uh, no, summer is is not exist for me this moment. Market is so
Uh,
good, so I have to remain on here and work a lot with trading and scalping because there are a lot of opportunity. And thanks to Jen, everything move very good.
yes.
So we can say that. In this moment, the market is probably depend from the pair dollar yen because the problem is that the increase of dollar also now is associated with the rebounds in USD stock market and vice versa. Although I am lost a little time yesterday, when markets a little more calm to understand the quantity of this position short on yen remain. But essentially, as you know, it's very difficult, Nenad, because we know this is not future market or normal market. It's, interbank exchange. And, with Forex, it's very difficult to have a certain quantity. Uh, we know that JP Morgan declare and a percentage that remain 40% still of this position that has to be closed. And thanks to intervention on President of Central Bank of Japan, Shinchi Uchida, I think that this is
Mm-hmm.
correct. He will not proceed with more interest rate rise if the market continue to be unstable. Probably Powell or Yellen call him and say to stop. But I always think that this maneuver will be something that the central bank decided together because the situation, we discuss a lot, guys here, not only me and Nena, but all the experts discuss a lot about the fact that the monetary policy of Bank of Japan has to change from 1 year. And essentially, I see a very positive thing in what happened, guys, because it was done properly in the perfect month that is August, where there are less volume and less participant. Even the volatility, of course, will be higher. Essentially, now everything depends from dollar yen because if the yen continue to see this close of long position in of yen, because we have to understand, guys, that there are a big quantity of foreign asset taken by the people that from 14 years, people, institution, better say, taking refinancing with lending yen. And now the carry trade on yen is finished. So here we are. I read the number, incredible number, Nenad. So it's
Mm-hmm.
very difficult to understand when they can finish because, for example, Japanese investor um, maintain this year $3.4 trillion. it's a huge quantity.
Mm-hmm.
So I also take a look that also Japanese government is involved in this situation, and also the foreign lending of Japanese bank that arrived $1 trillion in March. So you can understand that it's not simple to close all in a few days. So essentially, guys, the epoch of yen is finished, and they have to close all these positions. So the pullback that you are assisting come probably for this part. Practically now the market will work in this way, guys. Just to remember this important thing. If the yen continue to drop against the dollar, the USA stock will rise. Okay, so practically this situation indicated the end of this lending. They closed the debt in yen and they moved the new liquidity directly in the stock or in dollar. So the situation is good because they have avoid a higher liquidity shock. And now we can see that this uptrend that we are assisting in USA market, it's for now we have to see like a rebound because probably in the moment the yen continue to going up, dollar yen continue going up a little more, we can assist some other drop probably because they can enjoy this momentum to close more position. Probably will not assist vertical drop for now. Now we will see because depend a lot if the bearish pressure return strongly, but they have done the 60% of position in few months has been closed, guys, so it's not few. We can say that this for me is very positive what we are assisted because they have do we have assisted a general sell-off that clean a good part of excess, not totally. So we can say that market now start this process of elimination of excess that will offer a big opportunity in the end of year, especially Bitcoin, gold, for example, a lot of USA stocks. So we have a lot of opportunity. Just to give a point, guys, because the most part of people, of course, understand that I see a lot of institutional buy this drop, especially Bitcoin was. I assist a big manipulation. It was very funny, Nena, because in the first impact, I remain a little skeptical because the first thought in my mind was, what is the correlation of Bitcoin with yen? Zero.
Mm-hmm.
So practically okay, some hedge funds sold, but not sufficient to explain this drop. After I discovered that there was some trading company in USA that enjoy during the night this situation to do a super aggressive bearish sell position on Bitcoin, Ethereum, to have the chance.
Mm-hmm. I lost you, Johnny. I don't hear you. Your
Me?
microphone now is good. Now
Okay.
good.
No, I say if you someone read what happened in Twitter, but you can read also in every part. BlackRock yesterday buy huge quantity of Bitcoin. So, guys, this is a very good opportunity, in my opinion. Of course, I'm speaking about medium long term, but in the short term, we can say that this August will be super volatile. Probably the what me and Nena like. The only problem,
Oh
guys,
yes.
that there are no rest with this market that move all the day, every day. No way to change this situation. So even market show a good bullish pressure that was absolutely normal. Probably we remain in this stable situation for some weeks. I have to advise to take care because another drop could arrive in any moment. So take care with this movement. But in general, I see a very good recovery. So probably market on this level could start a new accumulation phases.
We have
In this
question.
sense,
What's your thoughts on pound yen
yes.
and dollar Swissy? Let's see.
Let's go. Let's go, guys. No, well, guys. Now,
Pound yen had a sell. It was a kill switch trade. Executed exactly
yeah,
during the session where I said It was, I think, the end of Asian session, early morning. This was kill switch trade. Market started selling from this point. Very nice drop. I think more than 120 points. Now I think there is continuation to the upside. The market want to push up, and we can see that the next level to sell needs to be on daily time frame, because 1 hour time frame turned bullish. There is discrepancy between 1 hour and 4 hour. 4 hour is still bearish, but it's turning up, you see, and daily is clearly still bearish. So the last chance to sell is here. I will sell GBPN around 189.41. But for that, maybe we need to wait for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't think that it can happen right now. But on lower time frames, it's buy the dips scenario.
So probably because now, guys, we have this situation that we can have some drop. Pound yen, in my opinion, is very interesting for weekly swing, at least longer. Nenad. What I can say, guys, that the target 187.54, where we are, is very interesting, in my opinion, for potential more uptrend. Probably 190 will be attack in the next 1 or 2 days. But of course, at this level, I cannot say, Nena, that is not interesting to buy. But we have to, at least maybe it's better to wait a pullback. Nena.
No, I always wait for the pullback. I would never buy it at the top.
In breakout, guys, the problem. This is a very, very volatile pair, guys. And of course, here medium average stop loss need 200, 300 pips. So
look,
I
guys,
understand,
500 pips today, 342 average. This is the one, if not the strongest forex market. The range is even higher than gold. So if you want to trade this, you need to have big stop loss.
Exactly. So we have to take a little care in this aspect, because this market is too much volatile, guys. Boy, the problem is always the same. Remember that there are always big movement during at least for me, and then when we sleep, because yen move a lot around 1:32 p.m. in the night, in the morning, no late morning. So this time we are sleeping, guys. So
exactly.
You have to study very well the stop loss that you want to take here. It's not a bad idea to buy. Absolutely, everything is in line with expectation, but better to wait a pullback. Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc is very interesting. I like the movement that I see in this pair also, because it's more simple to control. I have to a small long probably. Yesterday take a profit, 67 pips I take, but I don't expect more uptrend, to be honest. Trend is bullish, guys. The zone where we are, 0.806040, 0.806022 is very good for a new uptrend with potential target I have in 0.8710 level. But as this is the same problem on pound yen, just wait some pullback. But anyway, here the stop loss is, for example, if I have to buy now, Nena, they can put in 90 pips as stop loss. But of course, the problem is that the average return of this pair is around 34 to 50 pips. So better to wait a pullback. Your idea, TG, are very good, but entering breakout, guys, it's not a good idea in this moment, especially with this market. No.
I would wait for a pullback, of course, guys. Today range has already been exceeded. We have 136 pips today versus 78 average. So we are above the top. For me to buy this, I need to have a very, very good sell-off retracement. And then 1 hour is the only where I can buy. Now daily is moving average is 0.8658. So I'm preparing to sell. If it goes 20 pips up, I will sell dollar Swissy. Similar to GBPN. But I don't think that it will hit this level today. But if it hits,
little more.
Yeah.
little more, and we can have a chance for in the moment you see dollar yen start to drop, guys, you have a big opportunity. This is the problem now. For example, on dollar yen and NAD, I plan to open a short below 146, but at the level where we are, I cannot exclude 150 level uptrend. Maybe this is very, very interesting for short. Depend if we have some bearish construction.